बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है हमारे पास। फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग द गिवन एंगल इज द बेस एंगल ऑफ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल। पहला पार्ट हमारे पास 40 डिग्री। इस पार्ट में आपके पास एक आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल गिवन है। आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल मीन्स दैट द ट्रायंगल हुज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल। So it is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, so the angle in front of these sides are also equal. It means that the angle in front of this side is this angle and the angle in front of this side is this angle. These two angles are equal. They are saying that for each of the following, the given angle is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. The given angle which is 40 degree. So it is the base angle, means that this is 40 degree. If this is 40 degree, so this is also 40 degree because it is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal and the angles in front of these sides are also equal. And we have to find the third angle of the triangle. So I am supposing it as x degree. So as we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So it means that x degree plus 40 degree plus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x degree is equals to 40 plus 40, 80 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 80. So x will be equal to 100 degree. In the second part, the base angle is 87 degree and it is also isosceles triangle. So it means that these two sides are equal and the angle in front of these two sides are also equal. These are the base angles. So it means that these two angles are 87 degree and the third angle is x degree. So as we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So it means that x degree plus 87 degree plus 87 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x degree plus 87 plus 87, it is 174 degree and 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 174. So x is equals to 180 minus 184, it is 6 degree. Moving to the third part, the given base angle is 15 degree. So it means that in an isosceles triangle these two sides are equal. It means that this is 15 degree, so this is also 15 degree and we have to find the third angle. I am supposing it as x degree. As we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So x plus 15 degree plus 15 degree is equals to 180 degree. X plus 30 is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 minus 30. X is equals to 150 degree. The last part, it is also isosceles triangle. It means that these two sides are equal. It means that 79 degree, 79 degree and this is x degree. As we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 79 plus 79, 158. So x is equals to 22 degree. This is question number 2. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the third question. Assalamu alaikum.